fiber to the finish, self-installing your Verizon Fios router. So ready to ditch the technician and get your Fios live? This year, Verizon makes self-installation as easy as plugging in a lamp. The brain of your house is the ONT, that white box Verizon already installed in your garage or basement. Today we're going through the direct to ONT method to get your high-speed Wi-Fi 7 gateway pulsing with live in under 2 minutes. Okay, so number 1, unbox your router and find the Ethernet cable. Then, second, plug one end into the WAN port on your router, and on the certain models like this one or with the A at the end, this is the 10 gigabit port. And then just plug the other end directly into the Ethernet port on your ONT. And then connect the power adapter to the router and a wall outlet. The front light will start blinking, do not unplug it. It is currently syncing with the Verizon head end and downloading the latest security firmware. Wait about 10 minutes until that light turns solid white. And now we can make it yours. So open the My Verizon app on your phone, sign in and tap Activate My Service. If you don't have the app, go to activatemyfios.verizon.net on a browser and follow the on-screen prompt to name your Wi-Fi and set a password. Then, the pro tip as well, you can scan the QR code on the back of the router to instantly connect to your phone without typing that long default password. So as you can see, we have a router label here with the QR code and also on this one as well. So just scan that. And after that, you're now browsing at the speed of light. If this Fios installation guide helped you set it up, don't forget to like and subscribe.